This is our apartment that we pay $2,200 a month for, and I'm going to explain to you in this video why it's so smart for us to do that. When I first moved to New York, I thought $2,200 a month for a 600 square foot apartment, that's a lot of money. But now when I did the math, I realized, ooh, we are lucky to be here. For us to live in this apartment, it costs us $2,200 a month, which equals $26,400 per year. The property taxes alone our landlord pays on this property is $24,000. That doesn't include any utilities, doesn't include anything else, and all of our bills are included in the $2,200. So who's getting the better deal? Now, some people are arguing he gets to build equity in the property, and while that may be true, he's also had to incur a lot of expenses. He's had to live here for years and years and years, come out with a large lump sum of money. All of those things, we just pay our $2,200 a month. We get to have free access to build our business, pursue our lives. And so maybe buying is right for some people, but for us, it's certainly not. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Should we keep renting or should we go buy something?